If you have Jeep Renegades and the car is rumbling, the problem is and here is a spark plug. Check this out. You need to change it, but right now I'm just gonna clean it up and put it back and test it. Here are the spark plugs. These are iridium. Let's see. Here is the one we're gonna put. And we are done right now. Just gonna go ahead and tighten everything, and we're gonna go ahead and start it. We're just checking the air filter. Çok temiz benziyor. Yes, it's very clean.
Elimizde sakatlayacağız şimdi durup dururken arkadaşlar.
This is already clean. Is it clean?
Bir dakika çıkaralım. Hay.
I think that's clean. Change the spark plugs, and the problem continued. And the next step is changing the coils. I changed it right now. This is $40. The car is working normal. Before it was just rumbling and shaking too much, and it wasn't going well, and basically it was working like 50%. And I changed the coil. Let's check the coil inside. You see this is bad, and also this is bad. And check this out, and it's bad. And this is also bad. Basically, mileage is 55,000, and the car model Jeep Renegade Latitude 2019. Now the problem solved. I didn't have to give too much money to dealers. Let's check it out if the problem already is being solved or not. Right now it says engine problem, and I'm gonna go ahead and erase it. I'm gonna use this OBD2 scanner. Now let's go ahead and read it. There is one problem. Cylinder 4 misfire detected, and let me go ahead and erase the code. Yes. No, there's no problem. Let me go ahead and turn it off. And now it's gone. Let's check the motor. I will check one more thing. Battery. Good battery. There is no problem with that. We can go ahead and put everything in place, and then that's it.